there are more and more endangered species. But unfortunately, animals can't talk. That's why. Imagine that you are animals, and what would you tell people about your life, about the problems which you have? Now, you have just, you can change your image, you can prepare your attributes. It was your home task, and we are going just to play a little bit. You can help each other if there is need. You can change your places if you need. Do you need to change your places? You can move. You can help each other. Thus, we are the animals. Then I want to invite my assistant, Mr. Fox.
Hello, I am Mr. Fox. I am one endangered species. They want to remind people about their difficult life and problem. At first, I tell about myself. I am a stepping fox. My species used to be abundant all over the Ukraine. Nowadays, our small group of 20 animals, I'd say heroes rather than animals, is living in Luchino Egypt. We survived due to our natural wisdom and strong handlers. We are hunted for our beautiful fur. We beg the humans to save us from extinction, as the wise mice will flood the towns and villages. You won't see your crops in the towns anymore. You will starve and vanish like we do. We beg the humans to save us from extinction. We beg to do harm for our young ones, for the sake of your future. Sincerely yours, Stephen Fox. Now we hear other animals about what they want to tell. Please, bisons.
Bisons. There are 3 representatives of bisons.
We are strong bisons and we live in the forest and in the steppe. We are vegetarians and we eat grass. In Ukraine there are about 100 bisons.
Every year about 30 bisons are killed by poacher. We will have become extinct by 2025 according to some predictions.
We have become a dangerous species because people kill us for our fur and meat, and we want your help and protection.
Son, come on, you may be seated, and we will listen to another animal about penguins.
What about penguins?
We are penguins. Our home is called Islands Allos in Antarctica. We live in coastal areas where throughout the year we can find plenty of food. We are easy swim and catch squid and fish.
We are penguins and one of the endangered species on the earth. I am that animal in danger of becoming extinct, and one of the most important of ecological problems.
Let's end this animal. Let's listen to
Thanks. Then who is the next to speak? Polar bears, pandas, dolphins.
Please help me. Everyone in this world wants to live. As we are connected with each other, we must protect everything. Doesn't provide simple being into people. I'm a Chinese dolphin. I live in Chinese Yangtze River. I'm in danger because of human activity. My problem is connected with pollution of water where I live.
People try to make their life more comfortable and easy, but they forget animals will die as a result. So remember, try to think about not only yourself, but about the world which surrounds you.
Thanks. The pandas are the next.
We are big pandas. We live in mountainous regions in China. In the second half of the 20th century, Big Panda is a national emblem of China. Big pandas is a symbol of the world where life found, but about 1,600 individuals remained in the wild.
Our diet is mainly vegetarian. In fact, we eat only bamboo. During the day, adult panda eats 30 kilograms of bamboo shoots.
In nature, there are about 700 ponds and about 120 in zoos. If you don't protect us, you might die out.
Thanks. And we will listen to Bear.
Bears.
We are the polar bears. We live in the northern part of the world where we can hunt our ice seals.
We can live in different natural conditions from mountain valleys and prairie lands to Arctic deserts, and we have preferences in lifestyle.
We are omnivorous animals. Some of us like plant food, especially we are fond of berries, and the others eat meat only.
The loss of sea ice habitat is a bigger threat for polar bears. Other threats include polar bear-human conflict, industrial impact. Please help us. We need your protection.
Thanks, you may be seated. And in conclusion, there are a lot of ecological problems to be solved.
Yes, there are a lot of ecological